Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Webster Elementary School, home of the Wildcats, here in the gymnasium. I'm in Livonia, Michigan. It's my first visit to their school and was an amazing morning and early afternoon. I got to talk to all the grades, 1 through 6. We had 2 separate assemblies. The focus was on positivity. Being your best self was the sub-theme. And the kids really took it to heart, knowing that in our heart and in our mind is where that positivity has to begin, where we have to get rid of the negativity, the negative doubts and beliefs that we have, and replace them with something more positive, right? That we're keeping this positive outlook and approach and mentality in every area of our lives, but also with everyone in our lives. And we're just always trying to just do our best, right? The staff here and what we talked about during the presentations, all they want is that, the students are just always giving their best effort. That all of us are just trying, never giving up, persevering, pushing for success. But as long as we're just giving our best, doing our best, that's what true success is, right? It's not always about being the best, having to be number one, getting the trophy, get your name on the wall, right? It's just about doing your best. That you can look yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and say, look, I gave it my all, and I know that I did my best. Now it's time to rest. And also knowing that there are going to be difficult times in our lives, and some subjects are going to be harder than others. Some subjects will be a little bit tougher for us than for other students, and vice versa. But in those moments, those are opportunities that can make us stronger if we let it, right? And knowing that, yes, it's easy to be positive on days like today where the sun's shining and everything's going great, but on days where it's not so nice outside, or maybe something's going on in here, at home or at school, or just with a certain friendship, certain relationship, that we know, those are also times that the storm will pass. Sometimes storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear. And that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly, though. It says, keep your head up. And the words are upside down on purpose. So if we're feeling down or, feel sad, have something going on that's really, really trying, that we know we can get past it. And it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what, right? And the idea too, to know that success, the opposite of it, is not failure, but quitting. It's giving up. In both assemblies, there was at least one student that got that answer right. Most of us say failure, but just because we fail doesn't make us a failure. Just because we make a mistake doesn't make us a mistake, right? We have to remember our worth, our value, and know that true success, the opposite of it, is just giving up or not trying. So as long as we keep trying, then, we can't ultimately fail. We can just keep going and make sure that we finally reach our goal with the support of others around us, because part of doing your best is encouraging others, but also, again, believing in our worth and how special and powerful we are. That ties into this. I bring up this concept in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here. Upside down W is for Webster, Wildcats, right? No, for worthy as well, that we're beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this and buy into this, now it's up to us to be that light to someone else's heart and make sure that they see that in themselves, right? That they can understand their value and their worth, and that they can hopefully go touch someone else's heart around them, that they encounter on a daily basis. And just knowing that, the sign of a true positive leader is lifting someone else up higher than yourself. That if you're great at something, that's awesome, right? And so many students here are, so talented here at Webster, but to know that we can also lift up others even higher than ourselves, that we rise by lifting others, that's what true success means, right? So keep positive, keep being your best self. Don't give up. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see all of you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure that the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.